Okay, people. Here's where I left off. It is really rusty, and there's tons more left. Yep, lots of rust. I wasn't able to find a gas mask or a dust mask. Apparently we ran out. We were supposed to have some, but I couldn't find any. I looked for a really long time. But I do got this industrial fan, so that should blow away the dust at least. I also got some safety goggles, mask, whatever, blah. It's going to be a really, really long time before we get all this rust off. And I was suggested by, oh fuck, who was it? But if you look back in my previous videos, fixing up this deck, you'll see his comments. He suggested I put bed liner on the bottom, which makes perfect sense because I was taking a shit yesterday. I was thinking, it doesn't matter how many layers of paint I put on this, I'm going to be hitting sticks, rocks, and who else knows what. And I'll just chip the paint just like that. So I was thinking, well, there has to be something else I could put under there. And he suggested bed liner. I'm thinking, well, that works great. So I'm going to put some bed liner on the bottom of this, and I should last it near forever. So get my glasses on. I slept in most of the day, so it's about 6 o'clock right now. If I work hard, I'll probably get it done. It's probably going to be a 5-part video. Just telling you that beforehand, so. Ignition. Alright, we're gonna get started now. It's really dusty. I'm starting to get down to the metal now. Good signs, I guess. Gotta move my fan though. Still got rust just flying everywhere. I wish I'd bring it outside, but it's all wet out and bare metal, wet, yeah, mix. Alright, hold on. fucking thick. Just use this to get this small spots. Bitch mom told me I had to stop, so I gotta stop. Well, when the lawn needs mowed, she's gonna have to wait on me then. Whatever.